Come here! Come here! Help me, please! Help me, please!
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Be careful! Be careful! Don't worry. Don't worry.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Wait here. Wait here.
Follow me. Follow me.
Slow down! Slow down! Turn left. Turn left. Hold my hand! Hold my hand!
Don't worry, I've got you. Keep walking! Keep walking!
Stop here! Stop here! Stop here!
Look at this! Look at this!
Take a picture! Take a picture! Smile! Smile!
Check your phone! Check your phone! Show me your ticket. Show me your ticket.
Open your book. Open your book. Read aloud. Read aloud.
Practice makes perfect and opens new doors.
Answer the question. Answer the question.
I think it is a great way to learn. Call me later. Call me later.
Call me later. Have a great day. Have a great day. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.